Today, we're exploring the top 7 foods that can support your liver health. Many think the liver stores toxins, but it actually detoxifies the body. Toxins are stored in fat cells, so a fatty liver can lead to accumulation. Let's break down the liver's roles before we dive into the foods. Liver function. 1. Detoxification. The liver processes toxins in 2 phases. First, it breaks them down into smaller particles. Then, it adds molecules to make them harmless. Nutrients like B vitamins and antioxidants are essential for this process. The liver detoxifies from various sources, including alcohol and pollution. Issues like constipation can disrupt this. 2. Bile production. Bile helps extract fat-soluble nutrients and activates thyroid hormones. Made from cholesterol, it also prevents microbial buildup in the intestines. 3. Hormone regulation. The liver produces IGF-1, aiding fat burning and protein synthesis. It also balances hormones like estrogen and testosterone. Signs of liver problems: itchiness, especially in the feet, fatigue, belly fat, diabetes or insulin resistance, hormonal imbalances, skin issues, joint, gallbladder problems, hypothyroidism. Foods to avoid: high fructose corn syrup, linked to fatty liver, toxins, pesticides and heavy metals, vegetable oils, high in inflammatory omega-6s, sugar and protein combos, like barbecue ribs, meat and starch combos, like steak and fries, alcohol and processed foods. Top 7 foods for liver health. 1. Cruciferous vegetables. Kale, broccoli, and beets are rich in detox enzymes and fiber. Fermented options like sauerkraut aid digestion. 2. Eggs. High in choline, they help remove fat from the liver and provide essential protein. 3. Sprouts, especially broccoli sprouts, which are packed with sulforaphane, supporting detoxification. 4. Beets help reduce inflammation and mobilize bile. 5. Garlic contains sulfur for detoxification and has anti-inflammatory properties. 6. Salmon and omega-3 foods. Like sardines and tuna, they reduce inflammation and support liver health. 7. Lemon. High in vitamin C, it helps reduce liver fat and inflammation. Extra tips. Apple cider vinegar, good for blood sugar and fatty liver when diluted in water. Olive oil, use in salads to extract nutrients and reduce inflammation. Milk thistle, protects the liver from toxins. Final thoughts: incorporate these 7 foods, cruciferous veggies, eggs, sprouts, beets, garlic, salmon, and lemon, into your diet. Avoid harmful items like processed sugars and alcohol. With proper care, your liver can thrive. For more tips, check out my liver playlist.